Today we're going to be talking about postural taping for foot stability. And essentially we're going to do some taping to prevent pronation. And what pronation will cause is misalignment from the tibia to the femur and cause patellar lateral tracking more often than none. This stabilization down here will allow things to stay in proper alignment and for the patella to track properly. So we're just going to go through a little bit of demonstration. This also could be resolved with orthotics, but as a temporary fix, we're going to demonstrate the taping technique. All right, and here we go. We have Enduro tape. First of all, you want to have the person align their foot inside, internal inversion, as they would call it. All right, I'm going to just measure this out. So what we're going to do is we're going to wrap this from the outside, anchor, that's going to be our pull point, and then it's going to come underneath the foot and up and around to the outside. And that's going to hold that foot in a neutral position when she's in weight bearing and prevent the pronation. We'll just run through this fast. And of course I have lousy scissors. And I like to just round the edges. This is an underlying sheet of, it's like a fabric tape almost, and it'll prevent this less skin irritation from this more rigid tape that we're going to be applying over top of this. Usually have some spray glue. If she wants this, you want this on permanently, a little bit, not permanently, but a little more secure, what we'll do is we'll just tend to tack it up with some tough skin. Alright, so you'll spray a little bit here, a little bit underneath, and the pattern that you're going to be running this tape in. Allow for a second for that to tack up, and place her foot in the inversion or supinated position, and we're going to tack this on the outside like so. Going to come in underneath the foot, up and across like so. Alright, that's the underlay for this more rigid tape. This doesn't have any give to it, like rock tape and kinesio tape. It'll tend to stretch a little bit more and not really provide that stability or stabilization that you're really looking for. And just tack this like that. And go right in the same path over top. Like so. Rub this in, heat this up. It'll help stick a little bit more with the glue. The glue tends to hold the tape on for about 2-3 days, even with showering. So it's a temporary fix, like I said, and it's an easy, fast way to help alleviate peroneal pain and maintain the proper tracking, and also eliminate pain on the medial side that people get often of the knee from the patella rolling laterally. Alright, and that's what we have. That's our demonstration. As you can see, it stabilizes her foot in a neutral position rather than rolling out. That's it. That's all we